2018 has been an eventful year for me both on and off camera. Well, here on YouTube, I uploaded 13 videos, which in them I uploaded my year 2017 video. I road tripped to Naivasha with my friend and ziplined while at it. I was invited by Google at the Think with Google Summit in Nairobi. Did a Mombasa street vlog while giving facts about me. Made a World Cup 2018 watch rig at work. Participated in the Wow Air Travel Video Challenge. Filmed a short underwater video at the Voyager Beach Resort pool. Did an Instagram Q&A on YouTube. Traveled to Samburu through the Ushanga Kenya initiative, which is my best trip of 2018. Made a second SGR train video. Did a Nyama Choma Mshakiki's food review with a fellow Kenyan YouTuber, Fatma. And then I compiled my list of 10 affordable things to do in both Mombasa and in Nairobi. 2018 is also the year that I met Evelyn from the internet here in Mombasa, and we had a great time. I also met Senzi from the lived experience. She's from South Africa. Tried out a new restaurant in Nairobi with Kemunto Bear. And I also met Judy, who's from Jamaica. I'll leave the links to their channels in the description box below. Check them out. So without further ado, here's a short film of my year 2018.
So that was the end of 2018. I hope 2019 is going to be a good year. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for putting up with what I put on YouTube and for the support. And I hope 2019 will be a much better year here on YouTube. And yeah, so thank you so much. Be kind to one another. Kwaheri.